Hi, it's Annelie. Today I want to show you my Stay Wet palette for acrylics. This one is very old, but I use it every day. I've got a flat, it's not very deep, Tupperware holder or any plastic holder with a nice slit that fits nice onto it and seal it. But it mustn't be too deep. It must be as flat as you can get. Then you can see in the inside I've got a nice sturdy plastic. It's not flimsy, it's very sturdy, and I've got thin pieces of sponge. So what I do is I fill my area with the thin sponges. I wet it. You can see it's wet, but it's not dripping. And then I place my piece of thick plastic. I just score the corners like that so it can fold over. So I put it in here. I put my paint in my what do you call this thingy? And then when I'm in between painting or the phone rings, I just put on the lid and it stays wet. I live in a very hot country, but this stays wet for a long time. You can work a few days on this. I usually let it build up a little bit because then it's easier to clean. You can see if it starts to build up, you can just take your paint and you can just take it off quick and easy. What I usually do is I put it in a little bit of warm water, and then this peels off usually with one go. So that's how I use it. And as I say, I live in a you can see it's still wet underneath, and I've used this about 10 days ago. So yeah, it works for me very nicely, and it cost me next to nothing. And just as long as you get otherwise you're going to struggle to get your palette knife in there, or your brush. You can make it as big as you want. This one is actually a little bit small for me at the moment, but I can find a bigger one that's flat enough. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I will see you next time, and have a lovely day.